Struggling with eyeliner that smudges, fades, or completely disappears halfway through the day? You're not alone. Whether you're dealing with watery eyes, oily lids, or humid weather, a reliable waterproof eyeliner is a must-have. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 of the best waterproof eyeliners that have been thoroughly tested for real-world wearability. We'll break down the top picks from Urban Decay, Kat Von D, Maybelline, Tarte, and L'Oreal. Let's jump straight into it and find the perfect one that won't budge, no matter what. Kicking off our list at number 1, Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is a cult favorite in the eyeliner world, praised for its creamy texture and unbeatable staying power. This pencil promises to combine the blendability of a cream with the long-lasting properties of a waterproof formula, and it truly delivers. Available in an impressive range of over 30 shades, it caters to everyone, from minimalists to bold makeup lovers. The pencil format offers both versatility and control, making it suitable for beginners and pros alike. Key features. One of the standout features of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On is its ultra-creamy consistency. It applies smoothly without tugging at the skin and quickly sets to a waterproof finish. It's also packed with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin E, jojoba oil, and cottonseed oil to keep your lash line comfortable throughout the day. The pigmentation is rich and intense, offering vibrant payoff in a single swipe. Benefits and usage. Thanks to its creamy texture, this liner is excellent for both precise lines and smoky effects. You have about 30 seconds to smudge or blend before it locks in place, so there's plenty of time to work with it. It's perfect for tight lining, creating bold cat eyes, or adding a pop of color to your waterline. Whether you're going for a daytime office look or a dramatic evening vibe, this pencil holds up beautifully. Usability. The Urban Decay 24/7 is incredibly user-friendly. The pencil glides effortlessly across the lid and works equally well on upper and lower lash lines. Sharpening it is easy with a standard sharpener, although frequent users might want to invest in the brand's grindhouse sharpener for precision. Since it's a pencil, there's no need to worry about dried-out felt tips or liquid spills. Durability. When it comes to longevity, this eyeliner holds its ground, literally. It remains intact for 10 to 12 hours without smudging, fading, or transferring, even in humid or rainy weather. It's resistant to sweat and tears, making it ideal for long days, workouts, or emotional moments. Once it sets, it doesn't move until you remove it with a quality oil-based remover. In the second spot, we have Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. The Kat Von D Tattoo Liner is an award-winning liquid eyeliner that's beloved for its precision and extreme longevity. Best known for its razor-sharp felt brush tip, this liner mimics the look of a real tattoo, hence the name. It's designed for those who demand intense pigmentation and control for detailed looks. With a waterproof, smudge-proof formula, it's ideal for users who need a reliable liner for all-day wear. Key features. The tattoo liner's defining feature is its ultra-fine brush tip, which contains over 300 bristles to deliver a seamless, even line in one stroke. The ink-rich formula dries quickly and doesn't flake or crack. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with the preferences of conscious consumers. The color payoff, especially in the Trooper Black shade, is intensely opaque and lasts all day. Benefits and usage. This liner excels at creating intricate looks, whether it's a thin lash line, bold cat eye, or graphic shapes. It's also ideal for hooded eyes because it dries down almost instantly, preventing transfer. The fluid formula allows you to layer for intensity or build sharp angles with ease. You can use it solo or layer over pencil for dimension and drama. Usability. Despite being a liquid liner, it's beginner-friendly thanks to its precision tip. The brush provides great control, so you don't need to be a pro to get clean results. It doesn't skip or drag, making it a great option for those with sensitive or textured eyelids. Just shake before each use for the most saturated color. Durability. The tattoo liner lives up to its name in terms of endurance. Once applied, it stays in place for up to 12 hours without flaking, running, or smudging. It's sweat-proof, waterproof, and performs reliably in humid conditions. For best removal, use an oil-based cleanser, as micellar water may not cut through its stronghold formula. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Eye Studio. The Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner is a budget-friendly gem that rivals high-end liners in performance. Packaged in a small glass pot with a precise application brush, this gel formula is designed to deliver professional results at drugstore prices. It's a favorite among makeup artists and everyday users alike for its intense color and all-day wear. Key features: this gel eyeliner is known for its bold pigment and smooth texture. The oil-free formula is ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. It comes in several shades, with blackest black being the most popular. The included brush makes application precise and customizable, whether you want a fine line or a thick, dramatic wing. Benefits and usage: the gel consistency allows for smooth application without tugging, making it perfect for sensitive eyes. It's versatile. You can use it on the waterline, lash line, or even as a shadow base for smoky eyes. It's also great for those who like to work slowly, as the formula stays blendable for a bit before setting into place. Usability: though it requires a brush, the learning curve is minimal. The brush included is dense and tapered, allowing both sharp lines and smoky effects. Beginners may need a little practice, but the control it offers is well worth it. For best results, wipe the brush clean after each use to prevent clumping or drying. Durability: Maybelline's gel liner promises 24-hour wear, and in most conditions, it holds up admirably for at least 12 to 14 hours. It's waterproof, smudge-resistant, and doesn't fade through sweat, tears, or oily lids. It won't budge unless you remove it with a dedicated makeup remover, making it reliable for long wear without constant touch-ups. Taking our fourth spot is Tarte Tarteist. The Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner is a 2-in-1 product that combines the best of both worlds, a creamy pencil on one side and a precision liquid liner on the other. Designed for versatility and long wear, this dual-ended liner is perfect for anyone who wants to transition seamlessly from daytime soft looks to bold night glam without switching tools. Key features: what makes this product stand out is its dual functionality. The gel pencil side glides on like a dream, while the liquid liner side delivers ultra-black precision. Both formulas are waterproof, vegan, and dermatologist tested. Tarte has also enriched the formula with natural ingredients like Amazonian clay, which helps the product last longer and stay smooth throughout the day. Benefits and usage: whether you're in the mood for a smoky effect or a crisp cat eye, this liner has you covered. Use the pencil for the waterline or to smudge out for softer definition, then flip to the liquid side for sharp wings or detailed flicks. It's great for travel or touch-ups since you only need one product in your makeup bag. Usability: the pencil glides on effortlessly and doesn't require much pressure, making it ideal for delicate eye areas. The liquid liner side features a felt tip that's easy to control and doesn't fray with use. This product is particularly handy for beginners who want to experiment with different liner looks without purchasing multiple products. Durability: both ends are impressively long-wearing. The gel pencil doesn't migrate or smear, even on the waterline, and the liquid liner stays put for over 12 hours without cracking or fading. Rain, sweat, and humidity won't take this off. It holds up well under all conditions. You'll need a strong remover at the end of the day, but that's a sign of its staying power. And finally, at number 5, we have a L'Oréal Infallible. The L'Oréal Infallible Pro Last Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner is a top-tier drugstore option for those seeking serious pigment and endurance without the premium price tag. Known for its intense color payoff and creamy glide, this pencil liner competes with luxury brands in quality and performance, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune for great results. Key features: the Pro Last pencil is highly pigmented and delivers a bold, opaque line in just one pass. Its waterproof formula sets quickly and resists smudging, making it ideal for long days or special occasions. Available in a variety of classic and trendy shades, it caters to both everyday users and creative makeup lovers. It's also ophthalmologist tested and safe for sensitive eyes. Benefits and usage: this pencil is perfect for quick morning routines, thanks to its smooth application and lasting finish. Use it to define the lash line, tight line for fuller lashes, or smudge out for a smoky look before it sets. It works well on both upper and lower lids and even holds on the waterline without breaking down. Usability: the formula is soft enough to apply without tugging, yet firm enough to retain its shape with sharpening. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and pairs well with other eye products. Whether you're going for subtle or dramatic, this liner delivers consistent results. A good quality sharpener is key to maintaining precision. Durability: once applied, this eyeliner doesn't budge. It wears up to 16 hours without smearing or flaking, holding strong through sweat, tears, and humidity. It's ideal for long workdays, events, or nights out. At the end of the day, you'll need a good oil-based remover to take it off completely. Proof that it's truly built to last. So there you have it, the 5 best waterproof eyeliners that combine performance, precision, and longevity. Whether you prefer a pencil, gel, or liquid, each of these has been vetted for all-day wear in real-world conditions. Say goodbye to raccoon eyes and midday touch-ups. These liners are built to stay. Let me know in the comments which one you've tried or which you're excited to add to your routine. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more beauty breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching.